Hey guys, it's Jess from Hong Kong Burning Reviews, and this is the Cool Mist humidifier that I got from Geniani. I assume you know how you guys know how I am with names. Anyway, it's super cool. You can see the smoke or the mist coming out of it, and it's got a huge gallon-sized tank, and you can control how much mist or how little mist comes out, and it even has the, hold on, let me see if I can turn off. It even has a night light, which is super cute. Great for nighttime. Make sure that you keep it up and on a flat surface and up off the ground to work the best. It's a lot bigger than I thought it would be, but I love it. And it has really helped. I've been using it for a little over a week now, and it's really helped us. So I'm going to leave the link down below. Go check it out. Thanks, guys.